Hi, I'm Joe. This is Theresa, and we needed to get our house sided this last year, and I did a bunch of research online and decided that StateLine Exterior was the best company to go with. We researched different types of siding, and I loved the idea of fiber cement siding. It has the best quality of R value, and StateLine is a local company, hometown company. So we just decided to have an interview with them and went with them. They're awesome. Love Casey, love Angie. They are just perfect. They are very personable. They take care of their customers. You call them, they answer. I don't know what else to say.
The key for me is always she does the research, and then I'm kind of the finance girl. And and Casey, what I liked is he came in, he sold the product, but he didn't do what a lot of salespeople do initially. Well, to be honest, they kind of badmouth, or they criticize the competition, and he did not do that. And he was extremely patient with me, since I'm the finance kind of girl. He was very patient, and he answered all my questions. And then whenever the job was in process, I could call him anytime I wanted to. The crew was amazing. And then the next part for me is always the cleanup, because and the cleanup was amazing. You would never have known that we had construction. It was priceless.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
And Casey also showed up on the job site numerous times just to check in, to make sure that we were happy and that the guys are doing what they needed to do. I don't know what else to say. It's just a beautiful job.
I can say the only thing I wish I would have done different, we would have done different as a team, is we would have got windows with you guys.
Absolutely, absolutely.
We didn't make, that's all I have to say. That's all I have to say about that. You can edit that part, right? You can edit. Okay, we're done.